A very good morning, dear children. Children, today's English work you will do in your workbook, Flyer Sunglow English B. So take out this workbook and your pencil eraser. If you have taken out all these things, just open your book to page number 39. This is page number 39. Okay, children? This is chapter 20. Fine? On this page, you will read the sentences of this and that, and you will do the related exercise on the page number 40. Children, this is page number 40 and this is worksheet 3. On this page number 40, you will do the exercise, fill in the blanks with this or that. Fine? Firstly, we will read the sentences of this and that. So children, as I have told you earlier, when you have done the work in your notebooks, this is used the things nearby. Okay? And that is used for the objects for away. Fine? See this girl? Children, here this girl is made on the left side of the page. It means it is near to us. It means nearby. And it has short arrow here for showing it is nearby. So just read what sentence is written here. This is Lisa. Okay? See the second sentence. That is Lavish. That is a boy. His name is Lavish. The picture of this boy is here on the right side of this page and it has a long arrow. It means this boy is far away from us. Okay? So what we will use here? We will use that for this boy. That is Lavish. See, this house is made on the left side of page. It means it is nearby. So what is written here? This is Lisa's house. This house is red in color. Okay? Let's see the fourth picture. This is a yellow house and it is made on the right side of this page and it has long arrow. It means it is far away from us. So what is written here? Let's read. That is Lavish's house. That house is yellow in color. Fine? Now see this picture. This picture is of a car and it is made on the left side of this page. It means it is nearby. So read the sentence. This is Lisa's car. Because it is nearby, so we have used this here. Read the second sentence. This car is blue in color. So it is wrong. Just cut this and write here green. Okay? It is green in color. So write here green. This car is green in color. Now see the last picture of this page and it is made on the right side of this page. It has long arrow which I have made here. That is Lavish's car. Okay? We have used that here for far away picture. That is Lavish's car. That car is black. It is wrong. It is blue in color. So we will write here blue. B-L-U-E, blue. This car is blue in color. Okay? So children, we have read all these sentences on the page number 39. And children, these sentences were about the topic this and that. Now turn the page. Come on the page number 40. Now we will do an exercise related to the topic use of this and that. Okay? Fill in the blanks with this or that. See? This ball is made on the left side of page. It means it is near to us. And what is written here? This is a ball. This bat is made here on the right side of this page. It means it is far away from us. So what is written here? That is a bat. Okay? Now we will do the exercise. Now this girl is made on the left side of this page. And what is written here? Blank space is a girl. So what will you fill here? This is a girl. This is a girl. Okay? So we have filled here this. Read the sentence B. Blank space is a boy. This boy is made on the left side of this page. It means it is far away from us. So we will write here that. D-H-A-T, that. That is a boy. Okay? Now, see the next. This girl is on the right side of this page, and now read the sentence. Blank space, girl is my sister. So, what we will fill here, because it is nearby, so we will write here THIS, this. Now see the next picture. This boy is made on the right side of this page. It means it is far away from us. So we will write here THAT, that. Fine? That is my brother. Now see the next picture. This is the picture of an apple, and it is made on the left side of this page. It means it is nearby. And read the sentence. Blank space is an apple. Okay? So write here THIS, this. This is an apple. Fine? Now see the next picture. This is the picture of a banana, and it is made on the right side of this page. It means it is far away from us. So we will write here THIS, this. This is a banana. Now see the next picture. This is the picture of a rose flower, and it is made on the left side of this page. It means it is nearby. And read the sentence. Blank space, flower is red. So you will fill here this. THIS, this. Okay? Now see the next picture. This is a sunflower, and it is made on the right side of the page. It means it is far away from us. So we will write here that. THAT, that. That flower is yellow. That sunflower is yellow. That flower is yellow. Okay? So children, we have done this exercise on the page number 40. Okay? In the same way, you will read the sentences on the page number 39. Okay? And you will do an exercise of fill in the blanks with this or that on the page number 40. Thank you children. Bye-bye.